Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You want to know if you're saving enough for retirement? Well, let's walk through Empower's Saving Planner tool and figure out exactly how to use the Saving Planner for retirement goals on Empower in under 2 minutes. First step is to open the Savings Planner. So from your dashboard on Empower's mobile app, you want to go to the Planning tab and then click Savings Planner. Next is to select Retirement Goal. Now under the retirement section, you're going to set your target retirement age and your desired annual income. Next is to review recommended savings rate. Now Empower is going to calculate how much you need to save each month based on your current assets and your investments. Next is to adjust contributions. Now use the slider to adjust your monthly or yearly contributions until you hit your target. Finally, track your progress. You want to make sure you check back regularly to see how you're performing and of course make changes as needed. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in the next one.